What do you look for in a Valentine? What do you look for in a Valentine? Like a partner, like what qualities?
Hindi kasi kami nakapagsalita ng
I don't speak in English.
Tagalog na
A little bit.
English?
I don't speak in English.
Oh. Okay lang, sige magtagalog na lang tayo.
Ngayon pa lang ganun, hindi na kami dudugo ang ilong sa iyo.
Yan na lang.
Mabuhay tayo. Paki-subscribe at sampalin ang kampana.
Mabuhay Kakampi, ako si Puting Pinoy. Ngayon ang season ng pag-ibig. At bilang isang celebration, gagawa ko ng English-only prank. Valentine Day special. Napakalaking shoutout kay Dwayne Woolley na nagpasimula ng prank na ito. So maghanap tayo ng unang biktima natin. Okay, so here we go. Alright, so right now I'm just asking people, since Valentine's Day is coming up, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to find out what qualities do you look for in a Valentine?
Qualities of a girl. Or...
Yeah, qualities of a girl you want to date for Valentine's.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful, yeah. What else?
My bride
Sexy.
Sexy.
Sexy, okay. What else? What else?
Smart ones. Lexi Lord, my dad in Valentine.
What?
He dated me in Valentine.
Excuse me, I have a question for you. What do you look... Oh. Nahihiya yata sila?
Ay, nagtatagalog ka pala
Oo,
kuya.
marunong.
Oo. Hirapan kami sa'yo, wait lang.
Oo, yun. Sige. Tagalog na lang. Ano gusto mo sa babae?
Jumpstart yung utak ko eh.
Maganda. Gusto ko ano,
Maganda.
sexy. Medyo
Dalagang Pilipina,
manyakul.
Dalagang Pilipina. Yeah. So like, you know, it's Valentine's Day coming up and everything. I've just been looking for couples because most of the people I've been interviewing, they're not couples. What do you like about her? Why you chose her as a Valentine?
Because I cannot explain something because the first time I saw her is she's I like that girl.
Okay, your turn. Your turn. Okay, what do you like about your Valentine?
Because last February 8 is her birthday,
February 8 is your
Yes.
birthday?
Yeah.
Wow.
and I
okay.
surprised her.
Wow. Maligayang bati sa'yo. Ilang taon ka na?
21.
21. Wow, ayos yan eh. Sige, pwede naman tayo magtagalog kung gusto nyo.
No problem. I can speak English.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Magaling ka namang mag-English ah.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
good.
ay. I'm asking a question. Here, come on. My question for you guys is, what do you look for in a Valentine partner?
Oh my God. Oh my God. They don't have boyfriends. Oh my God,
They don't have boyfriends. What qualities do you like in your partner?
Ano daw gusto nyo? Ano? Yeah.
Quiet, please.
Good personality. That's all.
What is a good personality like?
Like ano? Good attitude. Ow! Like good attitude, you know. And also handsome face.
So a good personality.
Yeah.
Okay, what else?
Handsome.
Handsome. Else, here, come
Sure.
here.
Oh my God. Sure, I know you have a boyfriend. I know.
What?
My husband, no need. Oh, yes.
You have a
Yes,
husband?
be proud.
What do you like about your husband?
Oh my God.
Here.
Very loyal.
Very loyal. Wow.
Very
good.
Very caring. Very Very handsome. Very
He is
lovable.
very handsome.
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Very good. Oh, maraming salamat. Ang galing yung mag-English.
You know how to speak in Tagalog naman pala eh.
Pero nagalingan naman ninyo yung mga sagot
Are you
nyo.
a vlogger?
Oo, vlogger ako. And for extra fun, go ahead and write your answer in English in the comments section. Alrighty. First question, do you have a Valentine? Do you have a partner for Valentine's Day?
I'm single.
You're single, okay. I'm single too, so that's cool.
Single 3.
You're single 3. What qualities do you look for in a Valentine?
Simple.
Simple? What do you mean by simple?
Simple girl.
Ayun, yun lang. What do you look for in your Valentine?
To my dream girl.
What's your dream girl like?
Like, no. Ano ba yung English nung walang kasalanan? No. Ano?
Alugin mo na lang.
Ano? No, the girls we have no.
Bali yung babae, wala siyang kasalanan as in... oh. So- Oh, pero nagalingan naman ninyo yung English nyo. Okay, happy Valentines, happy Valentines.
Alam mo sa vlogger?
Puting Pinoy. Okay lang kung isama ko ito sa video ko.
Okay lang. Basta makita, nanonood ako lagi ng vlogger.
Oh, ayun. My question is, what do you look for in a Valentine?
We have a girlfriend
Oh, nice. You have a girlfriend.
Yes.
What do you like about your girlfriend?
because she is so kind and so beautiful and honest.
Say what? She's
Honest.
honest. Yeah.
I don't want.
Here. You already have a Valentine.
I don't have boyfriends.
I was just curious, what is it that you look for in a partner for Valentine's Day?
Anong gusto mo sa partner mo? O ano?
Ayoko. Handsome and plenty of
Loyal.
money.
Loyal and a lot of money.
Yeah.
Okay. Hindi pala ako yan. Wala akong pera. Lugi talaga. Lugi ako. Quick ad spot. If you or someone you know would like to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, or you're a Filipino who wants to make foreign friends, sign up for PhilTalk today. And if you've watched this far, you get good luck from my balbas for 50 years. What qualities do you look for in a Valentine Day partner?
Girl, ikaw muna, girl. Eto, wait. Sorry guys, because I'm only 17 years old.
Wala ko yung kabalo. Ilonggo ko yan.
This.
Genuine.
Huh?
Genuine.
It's genuine, like.
Genuine?
Yeah.
What else? What?
A loyal.
A gentleman.
Christ-centered.
Someone who has sense of humor, like that's very good. And awesome,
An A+ for effort.
A patient partner.
The one that doesn't have toyo.
Doesn't have toyo?
Yeah. Ay Tagalog term for you have a
Really moody.
yeah, really moody.
Magaling pala kayo mag-English?
Yes! We're from same college of Makati. Watch out kay ano! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Ingat! Sabay family! YouTube ako! Shout out! Sa YouTube na ako pa! Shout out our viewers!
Shout out to the love of my life.
Ang galing! Ang galing yung mag-English. Apir tayo. Apir tayo. Whoops! Yun! Tayo. Whoops! Yun! Galing!